Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we are looking at the most overrated watches I've ever dealt with.
The truth? It's overrated.
Stick around.
If you like seeing new watches and getting your wallet drained, if you wanna go Rolex, but your wife might complain.
The first watch on our list is the Rolex Datejust. Here I was, 17-year-old boy with a dream to own a Rolex, a brand I thought was the most luxurious and expensive watch in the world. Finally, my dream came true, and I was like, is this a real Rolex? Because it just doesn't feel like what I expected, because when I first got my Rolex Datejust, I was dumbfounded. I actually thought it was fake. It just felt like every other watch.
Same, but different, but still same.
Up next is the Casio. It's rubber banded on there. Okay, everyone talks about them. They're the best value for money watches ever.
The best value for money watch ever.
I paid my $20 and well, truthfully, I felt like I got a $20 watch. There wasn't anything too hypey about it. I mean, plain and simple, it's just a cheap watch, and I just don't get the hype. Next on my list is a Longines Hydro Conquest. Now, this was truthfully one of the watches that I heard so much about when I first got back into watch collecting. Oh my god, everybody loves it, you just gotta get it, and I got it, and it was just another dive watch. I'm so sick of Submariner lookalikes. Like, really? It's just overrated at this point. Stop doing them. The Hydro Conquest, you are exactly that. The last watch on our list is the Christopher Ward C60. Now, I do like them. I actually loved mine. I just never wore it. And the minute that brand switched their logo to the 9 o'clock position, well...
What the hell is wrong with you people?
What are you doing, Christopher Ward? Like, look how beautiful they used to be. Now look at them. What were you thinking? It looks so plain, boring, and dare I say fashion watchy. I really think you're screwing up here, and I think you're starting to get a little too overrated for what you are. That was my list for the most overrated watches I've ever dealt with. Let me know what your most overrated watch you've ever dealt with in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, my name is Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you very much. Enjoy.